Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to answer Robinhood options questions. To successfully navigate Robinhood's options trading questionnaire, it is crucial to grasp the fundamental concepts they are testing. These questions are designed to ensure you understand the inherent risks and potential rewards associated with options. By providing thoughtful and accurate responses, you demonstrate your preparedness for more sophisticated investment strategies. This process helps protect both you and the platform, ensuring a responsible trading environment for everyone involved. Let's dive into the core concepts you'll encounter. A call option gives the holder the right to buy an asset, while a put option grants the right to sell. You'll need to know terms such as strike price, which is the price at which an option can be exercised, and the expiration date, when the option contract becomes void. The premium is the cost of the option. Understanding these basics, including the difference between buying and selling contracts, is absolutely essential for answering the questions correctly. Next, we'll focus on risk assessment and common strategies. Robinhood's questions often probe your understanding of potential losses. For example, buying a naked call or put can lead to unlimited losses, while buying a single option contract limits loss to the premium paid. Leverage is a double-edged sword, magnifying both profits and losses. Always consider how options fit into your overall portfolio and the importance of diversification to mitigate risk effectively. This shows a mature approach to trading. Finally, let's talk about practical application and review. Familiarize yourself with strategies such as covered calls, which involve selling calls against shares you own, and protective puts, used to hedge against stock declines. Practice with hypothetical scenarios to solidify your understanding of how these strategies work in real-world situations. Also, ensure your Robinhood financial profile accurately reflects your investment experience and risk tolerance. This comprehensive approach will help you confidently answer all options questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.